Hey everybody, welcome back to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we are going to make chocolate bread with ganache on top. Doesn't that sound yummy? It does for Mr. Smith because that's what he likes, chocolate.
I'm a chocolate.
He's a chocoholic. So simple. I love quick breads because they're so easy and you normally have all the ingredients already. So this one's chocolate and I've got a 9 by 5 loaf pan already oiled up there. So we're going to mix our dry ingredients in here. So we're going to put a half a cup of cocoa, 100% cocoa powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And of course it's stuck in there. There we go. And 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And I will put all the ingredients in the description box when we're done, okay? And then we're going to put in 1 3/4 cup of flour. And what do we use?
Hudson cream.
Hudson cream, yes.
The best.
I wish they could expand in more states. They're only in 4 states. I love it. It's good stuff. And then we're going to put in sugar. I have 3/4 cup of sugar. Quick breads are so easy, guys. And then just a pinch of salt. That's a pinch enough, probably. Okay, we're going to mix all that up. And then we're going to put in 2 eggs and a half a cup of oil and 1 cup of buttermilk. If you want to add nuts to this, that would probably be good too.
It would definitely be good.
Which I'm surprised we haven't got nuts out yet.
Well, we still can.
Yes, we can. All right, so we're going to put in a half a cup of oil. You can use canola, vegetable, whatever you want. Avocado.
Lard. Crisco.
So there's that, and 1 cup of buttermilk. And if you do not have buttermilk, remember you just use 1 cup of regular milk and add a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. And leave that sit for a little bit, 5 or 10 minutes, and then you'll have your buttermilk. That's how I used to do it all the time when I made sugar cookies, buttermilk sugar cookies. And then I started buying the powder of the buttermilk, the Seiko brand, and I love it. You have to keep it in the refrigerator, though. All right, so we got 2 eggs.
Bloop. Plop.
Had them in my little handy dandy egg holder Mr. Smith made. They're so cute. Oh.
She uses it every day. Every day.
Every day. Sometimes more than once.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. So let's mix this all up. And guys, welcome in to new subscribers. We love having you here. And you are part of our family. You're not just subscribers. You are our family. We love you all. Today is week 3 of my knee surgery, total knee replacement, my left one. Today is week 3.
And she's doing fantastic.
Yeah, I went to the doctor and she said she wished all her patients were like that.
Yeah, she's doing above average.
Let's put in some vanilla, about 1.5 teaspoons or whatever.
Half.
Look, I'm running low. And I made vanilla. If you guys haven't seen that video, you can go back and look at that one. And we're just waiting on it to get done. It's only been about 5 months. It takes about a year. So I went and bought another bottle of vanilla when we went to the Amish store the other day. We like that Watkins brand.
And you forgot to do your haul on Sam's Club.
You didn't have to tell them. Yeah. We did a lot that day, though. I was tired.
Yeah, she was tired.
We did a lot.
She's been pushing herself. But it's paying off.
Yep. Got me one of them little bikes that you put on the floor. I've been doing that. I think that helps with the movement, trying to get it to moving. Now, did you want nuts before we go farther?
No, it's okay. You can leave the nuts out this time.
All right, so we're going to pour this into this pan here.
That looks so good.
And we're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven.
Looks like chocolate cake.
Yeah. Smells like chocolate cake and cupcakes.
Mm-hmm.
It's something you'll like. He loves ganache.
I do.
I mean, what's not to like about that?
Right.
All right, guys. We're going to put it in for about 50 minutes, and then we'll check it and see if it's done. And I'll let you know when we come back. All right, this was in the oven for 50 minutes, something around like that, 50, 55 minutes. And this is what it looks like, nice and hooved in the center. So we're going to let this cool, and then we're going to put some ganache on top. Billy's favorite part.
Looks like it swolled up pretty good.
Yeah, swole up like me. Swole.
It must have been doing some bicep curls.
All right, guys, we'll be back when we get ready to make the ganache. All right, the bread is cool. We're going to make the ganache now. I have a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. That's all it is. So we're going to heat this heavy whipping cream up in a microwave, and when it gets hot, I'll show you what we're doing. All right, I'm putting the 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream that is heated in there. And then we're just going to set 3/4 cup of chocolate chips in there and let them get soft for a few minutes or a couple minutes, and then right. All right, it's been setting for a couple minutes, and we're just going to stir this all up here. You can see here. I use semi-sweet chocolate chips. I use the mini ones because they're so much easier to melt. The only ones I about buy anymore. I use them for cookies and everything. I may have to put it back in the microwave for a little bit.
Looks like it.
Yeah, need to get a little bit hotter. All right, see how that is? Nice and creamy. Then we're just going to pour that right over top of this bread.
My, that looks good. Mm.
You know Billy's a chocoholic, so he can't wait to try it. He already made him a cup of coffee anticipating this taste test. Yum. I'm not a big chocolate fan, but I do like ganache. I don't know how I like that, but not a big chocolate fan.
It's so good.
But I'm going to taste it because there are some chocolates I like. It's weird. Well, I'm a little weird. But let's get
a little?
This end here.
Did you just say a little?
Yeah, just a little.
Oh.
Look at that, guys.
You might need extra icing for the middles of it.
How dark chocolate that is. Let's get a little fork out here and do a little taste test.
Mmm.
It is really good. And that's something for me to say with the chocolate.
That's chocolate on chocolate.
Yes, that is delicious, guys.
Is
that?
Yeah, that looks good.
So he's ready to taste it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. chocolate buttermilk bread. Peace out.